Hey, what's up guys, welcome back. It's time for another video. Now today's going to be really special because the folks at Xiaomi actually lent us a new TV. It's called the Xiaomi TV P1 55-inch Android TV. Now, this was actually lent to me a couple of months ago, particularly like late December, but because I was too busy because of Christmas preparations and stuff like that, I didn't get to review this earlier. But they understood, which was quite nice of them. Aside from that, I've also gotten to know, like a couple of days ago, just how precious owning one could actually be. So let's take a look at it, shall we? Let's unbox it! Okay, so this is the MiTV 55-inch. It's an Android TV and a smart TV as well. The thing has Google Assistant and Chromecast built in. It's also has Dolby audio, so you actually hear crisp sounds. And if you look at it, all the cables are intact. This is the power cable and also the stand of it if you're putting it on top of a TV rack, and also the remote control that comes with it. It's got Netflix and Prime Video also on the remote control. It was pretty heavy. I took it out of box and placed it on my bed, and it was properly packaged. I needed to put it up, so this is the foot of the stand. You can just insert it on this one under the TV, and you just need like a couple of screws in order to put it in. This is the TV, and then you've got the on and off switch for the audio, because this has a microphone, understandably because it has Chromecast built in. So we did the next best thing. I already have my other TV there, but this one's quite huge at 55-inch. Sorry for the mess in my room. It's really that messy. But just the same, it's impressive looking, you know, it's classy. It's got no mumbo jumbo, no unnecessary clutter on the actual design of the TV. My other TV's wall mounted, and this one I placed on top of my table where I usually work on the unboxing. The power cable is here, and some of the ports, like the network ports if you want it hooked up hardwired, and also the audio ports and the optical out port if you need to connect it to another video device. And it also has that one for the cable TV if you need that. And of course there are HDMI ports on this one as well, and the USB port also if you're connecting media to it, because this is a smart TV, and if you got files that you need to play, you can put it there via USB. Opening up, you have to choose the language that you're gonna use for this device. Of course I use English, United States, because I can understand it more. Of course the choices, you've got Philippines as well, and then I set it up for the first time, and you can actually pair it up with your Android phone. It's much easier, so you don't have to enter, your Google credentials and stuff. You have to just allow it on your smartphone. So after setting it up on, of course, Google Home, because that kind of manages all your Google devices, you have to connect it to your network or your wireless network for that matter. It's got both wired and wireless. And then you can, of course, set up your YouTube account so you can watch YouTube from this TV. It will also ask you to, of course, install some apps for the Xiaomi to recognize things that you're streaming from your phone to the actual TV. And this one's also a digital receiver, so you don't have to, do a lot of things in order to just set it up for watching videos. And I also have played some of my own personal videos on it, and when it's on HD, it's very crisp. I can say that because I've seen it. Ang gaganda pa ng celebrities na nasa videos ko. So, kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, it's time to subscribe now. Relatable? I hope so. This is the interview I did for ABS-CBN. And of course, subscribe na kayo sa Kumagkaw YouTube account. Pogi pa yung nagre-review ng mga devices doon. Now, another point of concern might be if the actual remote control and how to set the TV is actually going to be complicated. But honestly, it's not. It's just for navigating whatever you see on the screen. It's pretty simple and can be done by an ordinary Joe. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is Xiaomi TV 55-inch. It's got Google Assistant and Chromecast built in, so you don't have to have separate devices just to make it work. And aside from that, the audio is quite good. The video is quite crisp, especially if you're watching 4K, 2K videos. It can handle all of that. Aside from that, it's pretty affordable. It's costing you around like 20,000 plus on Lazada, Shopee, and all the stores of Xiaomi. So if you're on the lookout for an Android TV that's great in quality and affordable, you might take a look at MiTV 55-inch for it. Before you go, I'd like to tell you the things that I regret. Actually, I regret not opening up the box because I did really enjoy watching shows from it. I also enjoy watching videos from YouTube since it can actually do that on its own on this TV without the need of course, external devices like streaming or things like that. It's also an Android, so if you've got a lot of the softwares installed on it, you can watch it on TV. That'll be all for me. Thank you so much to Xiaomi for lending us this unit. Thank you also for everyone who are still subscribed on Kumagkaw's official YouTube channel. And if you're not subscribed, please do. That'll be all for me. Have a wonderful weekend, everyone. Bye-bye.